Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the notification wake screen on iPhone so your screen stays off and undisturbed when new alerts come in. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you control all your phone's features and preferences. Step 2. Tap Notifications. This menu lets you manage how notifications appear and behave on your device. Step 3. Scroll through the list and tap the app that keeps lighting up your screen. Each app has its own notification settings. Step 4. Under Alerts, uncheck Lock Screen. This stops that app from lighting your screen when notifications arrive. Method 2. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap Notifications. Step 3. Tap Show Previews. This controls how notification previews appear on your device. Step 4. Select Never. This will hide all notification previews and prevent your screen from lighting up when alerts come in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.